Okay, another theoretical. So you can see how many theoretical questions here. Okay. So false regarding the transition elements, the colored complexes. So nickel hexaamine is deep blue, and it is very similar to copper tetraamine 2 complex also. So to differentiate these two, if you can remember, we can do the sulfide precipitation in the acidic or basic medium. For an example, nickel hexaamine 2 plus as well as copper tetraamine 2 plus. Those two will basically will have deep blue color solution. So how to differentiate these two? You can either add H plus H2S, which only copper will give copper sulfide and nickel will not. But if you use like OH minus H2S, that means in the basic medium, copper sulfide also will be precipitated. Nickel sulfide also will be precipitated. Okay, so you can imagine what condition that you should use. You have to use H plus H2O. So because then CuS will be precipitated and nickel sulfide will not precipitate. But if you use OH minus H2S, don't forget, still copper sulfide also can be precipitated. Don't forget, because of copper sulfide is precipitated at the group 2, copper sulfide cannot be precipitated at group 4. No, it is wrong, right? If you go through my video tutorial, you might have understood, okay? Because H2S can be either in acidic or basic medium for copper, no problem in that. Okay, so CuCl4, this is very important to understand. This is because in one of the questions, I think it was before 2010, maybe if I can remember, if it is 2010, I don't know. They are considering about this formation of CuCl4 minus. So this is pale blue is totally wrong. This is not pale blue. You can imagine it is yellow green according to these equations. One thing that I have to emphasize here is when you have this copper hexa aqua complex in the solution, when you add HCl, this is normally the dilute HCl condition under lower and like limited and excess condition. When you have conc HCl, that is you are adding, automatically CuCl4 minus will be formed because of its conc nature. But when you have diluted HCl, when you add a little bit, initially your this blue color, or the way you say bluish green color, initially will turn into a green color. And in one of the questions they have asked what is the compound, what is the complex that is responsible for this green color. So always remember this complex CuCl H2O5 plus is the responsible person for this one. I would say person, I don't mind. And then when you add excess Cl minus further and further, then it eventually turns to yellow green. Okay, COCl4 minus is not pale blue, it is yellow green, and NiCl4 is yellow. In fact, or you can imagine this as a little bit yellow brownish color as so. So this is yellow brown, cobalt 2 plus, and chromium is blue white. Even CO's cobalt COCl4 minus is also blue. Don't forget. Okay. These are not hard things because these should be very simple things for you guys at this level. Okay.